In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect OpenAI ChatGPT 4 with Monday.com. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's dive right in. First, you need to access your account settings. To do this, simply click on your profile picture, which is usually an avatar located at the top or the side of your Monday.com interface. Once you've clicked on your profile, a menu will pop up. Next, from the menu that appears, select the Administration option to open up your account settings. This section is essential as it houses all the controls you need to modify your account's features. Now we will navigate to the Customization section. Within the Admin menu, look for the Customization area and click on the Features option. This is where you can enable various functionalities for your workspace. As you browse through the Features page, scroll down until you find the Enable AI Features section. This is a crucial step as it allows you to take advantage of the AI capabilities offered by OpenAI's technology. Toggle this switch to the On position to activate the features. It's important to remember that if you do not see this option, you may need to have higher administrative permissions or an account plan that supports AI functionalities. So, double-check your account settings if you don't see the option readily available. Now you're all set to use the AI assistant on your boards. To get started, open any board within Monday.com and click on an item to view its details. Here, you'll want to locate the Update section. This is the area where you'll see comments and notes being added, or you may find a long text column. Once you're in the Update section, keep an eye out for the AI Assistant icon. This icon is your gateway to using the features powered by OpenAI. Simply click the icon to unlock the AI Assistant's potential. With that icon clicked, you can generate content with ease. You can leverage OpenAI-powered features to summarize lengthy discussions or updates. This means you no longer have to sift through pages of information. The AI can distill your content down to key points in an instant. You can also draft messages or status updates with just a few clicks. This can save you time during your busy workday, allowing you to focus on more critical tasks. Additionally, if you have existing text that requires improvement, using the AI, you can refine or rewrite it to enhance clarity and tone. By following these steps, you integrate ChatGPT-style intelligence directly into your workflow without needing to deal with complex external API keys or setups. This makes the process seamless and highly efficient. Thank you for joining me today. I hope you find these tips helpful as you connect OpenAI ChatGPT 4 with Monday.com and enhance your productivity. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more insightful tutorials.